Hi guys, Bambi here with Creatively Bambi. I have to apologize because I have been MIA on my YouTube channel and for a whole lot of my social media. Here's why. I've been so busy, but it's busy in a wonderful way. It's work and it is family. My girls are just wrapping up their school year, so they're growing up. And the end of the school year is just kind of hectic. So I figured I would just hop on and give you guys a quick update as to everything that was going on. And I do have some other videos coming up and some new projects in the works. I decided that in order to get this done, and this expression we have here in the States, kill two birds with one stone. I feel kind of bad saying it. I would never want to kill a bird, but it means get two things done at once. I'm gonna pull my hair back, and then I'm gonna take you for a walk with me. So, look at that. Woo! That wasn't always there. I'm gonna put my arms down. I used to have these nice little lean arms. Not anymore. Anyway, okay. Let's go for a walk. I've got headphones, my armband, have my phone. Let's go. Okay, I'm out. Oh, I love going for a good walk. Oh, it feels so good. So, here's the latest. I have been working. I have said for too long, oh, I'm gonna do this YouTube. Oh, I gotta get this YouTube video up. Oh, I'm gonna put this up today. And every day, it just gets pushed further and further back. Only because I'm doing other work. Namely, my cookbook is almost done. Actually, it's like 99% done. I'm so excited. So as soon as that drops, I'll definitely make sure I tell you that. What happened was I got the proof, the first copy, and did some, I said, let me just read through it real quick, and I found a few mistakes in it. So nothing major, I don't even want to say mistakes, some preferences. So I fixed those things, and then I had to go through the whole proofing process again. So I'm waiting on the second proof to come back to me so I can just look through it one more time and make sure it's good to go. Okay, next thing. In my cookbooks, there's a lot of there are a lot of stories in there. Obviously, I love to chitty chat, but I also love to write. I'm blessed to have a career in writing. It's what I do, and I absolutely love it. Writing and a few other things, but anyway, the bulk of what I do is writing. So that's what I've been doing lately. I've been working, and it's a wonderful thing, and I'm very thankful and very blessed to be able to do that. So that's what's happening there. Summer is coming up. It is. My kids are wrapping up their school year, and it just gets hectic between little ceremonies and all that good stuff. So I've just been balancing, and it's a wonderful thing. And I've been doing a pretty decent job, if I do say so myself. Oh, so anyway, I'll tell you, have my first, I've had many mom fails, but I had a pretty, not a good one. One of my girls said to me, she called me right when they get out of school. She said, "Where are you?" And I said, "Getting your sisters from school." Why? Because she usually walks to her sister's schools, to my other girl's school. So I said, "Why? Like, what do you call me for?" And she said, "The bake sale. You were supposed to bring stuff for the bake sale." I had completely, and I mean 1000% forgot. When she told me, I will say she told me a little late. And when she told me, I said, okay, well, you're gonna have to tell me later because I can't even think about that right now. In my defense, she didn't remind me later, but I still dropped the ball. I felt so bad. The good thing was the other girls that she was with, there's two really good things. The other girls she was with had so much stuff, so they didn't even need anything else, which was good. And the other thing was they were doing another one. It was for a community service project that she was doing at school. So I said, okay, we'll make sure we handle everything the right way next time. So I did have another opportunity to pick up my slack, and I did, big time too. But anyway, I felt so bad. My brain's just like mush. Oh. So anyway, that's that. Those are my updates. I know it's not a whole lot, 3 little things, but I just wanted to pop in and tell you what all was going on because I've just been going nuts, and I know I'm not the only one. I know everybody's like, join the club, Bambi. That's life. But anyway, I just wanted to give you an update about what's going on in mine. And thank you. Hey, and listen, this little channel is growing and I'm really excited. My hair looks really weird like this, right? It's just my curls. I don't usually wear it curly on camera. You know, when I did news, I didn't, I think I'm gonna cut across this field. When I did news, I didn't wear my hair curly on camera, ever. I did once, and one of my news directors was like, yeah, no, that doesn't really work, which isn't very nice now that I look back at it, but I do like how my hair looks. I like my hair to be a little more tamed on camera. My curls used to be really a lot curlier. Now they're wavy as I'm getting older. Like the last couple of years, they've gotten wavy instead of ringlets. I used to have ringlets back in the day. So anyway, I'm going to head back to my car even though I just started this walk, but it is going to continue. I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to grab my my dumbbells that I like to carry when I walk because it just helps me to feel like I'm getting a little more of a workout. Look at these steps I'm getting ready to go up. You know, back in the day, my track coach, Coach Hot was his name. My track coach used to make us run the steps. And I was good at it back in the day, but not anymore. I got a bad knee. Otherwise, I sure would run these babies right here and now. So anyway, I'm gonna go get my weights so I can add a little bit more oomph to this workout. So anyway, I hope you're doing good. And I hope you have a great day. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Bye. Thanks for checking in with me. I'll see you next time.